In this video, I'll be showing you how you can deposit your checks in your Chase mobile application or your Chase digital wallet. As you can see, this is a created article by Chase in order to use the deposit check or what they call quick deposit. So how to deposit checks right from the Chase mobile app? First is to sign into the Chase mobile application and tap the Pay and Transfer. Now in that screen, you need to select the deposit checks and choose the account where you want your deposit to go. Then enter the deposit amount. Now tap the front and take a photo of the front of the check or the physical check that you want to deposit. Now endorse your check and then tap next and then take a photo of the back too. Once you have captured photos of your check, review the deposit amount and check every single details before proceeding. Now select the next and deposit to confirm. Well, you can also watch this video in order to guide you freely or easily on how you can deposit your checks with your phone using your Chase mobile app. Well, this link is just this, so just search for it and then that's it. That's how you can deposit your checks with your Chase mobile application easily, and thank you for listening.